Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are off to Benidorm and we are going to Aqualandia, one of the biggest water parks in Europe. They have got the biggest water slide in Europe. Probably not going to go on it. I did it last time and it actually hurt. So if I do, I'll give it a go. I've got my GoPro, but before we get going, please like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and let's go driving through the mountains from Alicante to Benidorm. So guys, here we are in the car park of Aqualandia, and for any of you guys that watch Benidorm, this is where Martin and his wife came, where they went to Mundamar and they went up to the zoo and they were arguing in this car park here, arguing in the queue up there. Awesome. It is one of the best theme parks I've ever been to other than Volcano Bay. So let's go and check it out and see what's up in here. So guys, this is Aqualandia. It actually runs all the way around here, all the way around, all the way up there, all the way down the back there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get ourselves ready and I'm going to swap over to the GoPro. Hello! Hi! Hi! Yeah. Ice creams and refreshments. There's the lazy river. That lazy river runs the entire circuit of that pool. We'll go in there later, get ourselves a rubber ring. There's Europe's largest slide. Thing's an absolute animal. I went down it and I skimmed across the water so hard that I hurt my back. So guys, they are very strict with the camera rules here at Aqualandia. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back down here and I'm going to get Annie to film me as I'm coming down.
Daddy is going to be on this side. Ready? Here comes. Woo! Go, Dada! He's coming! Look him go! Splash! That was a big one!
That was absolutely immense. I couldn't see a damn thing from the moment I pushed myself down that slide. That is the fastest slide I have ever been on. You guys have to come over here and check this out. Aqualandia in Benidorm. Oh my god, that is so cold! Guys, this is awesome. Absolutely awesome. Oh, that is just so fresh. But shake the water out the mic. That is so fresh, but absolutely bloody gorgeous that is. But it's between 28 and 30 degrees out here today, so it is very warm. The floor is absolutely burning my tippy toes off, but there you go, it's all part of the fun. It is dinner time and we've just got a plethora of food, so let's check out, see what we've got. I've got pork and chips and a lovely Coca-Cola. Bonnie's got herself a nice yoghurt, sausages and chippies, and Annie's got a humongous bucket of salad. That's pretty epic though, isn't it, that? And look how fresh that salad actually looks compared to what you normally get in a packet.
And then watermelon.
Jumbo box of watermelon, and then I've gone for the healthy option. Annie went for the sugary stuff and I went for the healthy option. I got myself a chocolate cake. That was dinner done. To be honest with you, it was very below par. It was disgusting, to be honest with you. I had to get them to bring me some new chips because the chips were freezing cold. My pork that I got was pork on the shoulder bone. Literally fell off the bone, and all it was fat. Then Annabelle got her salad. She said it was awesome. Bonnie loved her sausages. Again, chips were cold. Cake was nice, but the whole thing come to nearly £50. Normally I wouldn't complain, but £50 for that amount of crap, I was a little bit disappointed. So look, there's Cyclone, and then you've got these white slide there, and these are the little slides. We have Vertigo, Europe's largest vertical water slide. So he's crazy! Crazy! Ready? Watch. He's coming. There he goes, look! Wow! Oh, and he's going to do splash! This thing is awkward. Look at the little lilo you get, guys. It's like a little foam lilo with a little peak on it and handles. So when you come down forward, you skim across the water. That is epic. Here she comes. Here goes Mummy. There's Mummy. Look, there she is. There she is. Whee! There's Mummy. It's good, isn't it? Mummy had fun. Did Mummy go really fast? Wow, it is very hot out here today, guys, but this place is absolutely epic. It cost us €60 to get in with a voucher that we got at the airport, which gave us £10 off the adults, £5 off the children, but it's from 12 above is an adult, from 4 to 12 is a child. So Bonnie got in for free, and do you know what? She's having the absolute time of her life. So now what we're going to do, I'll put the GoPro away for a little while, so we're going to stay dry, we're going to have a wander around the park, and we're going to go look for some more slides, aren't we?
Yeah.
Boing, boing, boing. They tell everybody we're in the lazy river. A boing, a boing. Ready? Run, 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 run. Ready? Go this way. 1, 2, 3. Niagara and the jacuzzi section. Look, there's a cave in there you can walk under and go round, and there's loads of jacuzzis over there. Look, a jacuzzi spa, absolutely epic. Should we go through the tunnel? Should we go through the cave? Look. It's actually quite cold for a jacuzzi. It's very cold. Right, let's go, guys. This is awesome. The water is cold, but when you're in 30-degree weather, it's very pleasant. Absolutely gorgeous. So, the grand jacuzzis. I could spend a day in here, I really could. Absolutely epic. We are now heading towards the Laguna. And the Laguna has all sorts of bits and pieces. It has the slides that you slide down and drop into the water by about 2 meters. You've got the zip lines, kiddies area at the back there, the sea lion experience right at the back, which we aren't doing today. About 5 years ago we done the dolphin experience, and the kids got to see the dolphins. But look at all of that, guys. Look. Let's just hope that they don't mind me taking the GoPro on some of these things, because at the end of the day it's not that dangerous. I mean, I've got it on a wristband. Look, it's strapped to me wrist. Nothing's going to happen. It's all right. So let's go and check it out, see if they let us. I'm probably going to get screamed at, but if I get down there first, I don't care. so salty. That was pretty epic. So guys, that concludes our day at Aqualandia, Benidorm. We're going to go back to Mike's flat now, and we are going to chill for a little bit, let Bonnie have a nap, go for something to eat, have a little play on the fairground. We won't be filming that one tonight because it's a bit of time to have a bit of a chill. What we are going to do though is we're going to come back into Benidorm tomorrow and spend an entire day in Benidorm doing some shopping, having a look, trying to see some of the sites like the Solana and things like that from the Benidorm TV programme. So if you like what you saw guys, please don't forget, like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and I will see you tomorrow.